Stunning home boasts modern, open floor plan, perfect for entertaining guests or sharing with/loved ones. The spacious living room features gas fireplace and a wall of windows. The kitchen offers granite counters, white cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. The generous master suite is a peaceful retreat with/plenty of room for king-size bed and more. The master bath includes walk-in shower and dual vanities. Main level office west/French doors too. One of the most unique features of this home is its location, as it borders a neighbor's farm. It's a serene setting that's hard to find in today's fast-paced world.